What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. Of course, we have a box in front of us, but what is it, Chris? Guys, these are a must. These are phenomenal massage precision guns, also known as just a massage gun. This is by the company Renpho. Either you pronounce it Renpho or Renpho. And just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box right below this video is gonna have this link for this exact massage gun. And you guys in the UK, I will have you linked as well if they sell it in the UK. If not, one very similar to it. This is the upgraded deep tissue massager. And I know there's a lot of things that you can do after the gym, some supplements that help out soreness, but I like to sit down, I like to watch Netflix, and I like to just use it while I'm watching TV. They're great for tennis elbow, sore shoulders, beat up legs. We'll give you full examples, don't worry about that. Let's head on over here. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we have in the box. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. Alrighty. We do have other attachments as well, and we do have a nice soft hard shell case, I guess you could say. It's not completely hard. It has a little bit of give to it, like a camera case or a hard suitcase, kind of a nylon with zips and also a handle there. That's great. Let's go ahead and open it on up and let's go ahead and take it for a little test run here. We have a little netting up here and we have the little manual guide here. We'll go ahead and run some specs by you guys here. All right, here's some important specs. You guys can pause that. But I will briefly run through them there. There's the model number. Voltage is 24 volt, 1 amp. Power is 24 watt. Capacity is a 2500 milliamp battery. Noise is 55 dB. Net weight is 2.14 pounds. Gross rate is right there as well. Characteristics, silent, that's very important, especially for watching TV while using it. High torque, lightweight, right there, and that's what we have in the box there. All right, let's go ahead and go through the different attachments here. This is your ball head for large muscle groups, quads, glutes, and extreme muscles and joint soreness. And that's gonna be a little bit like a hard tennis ball, has a little bit of give to it. That's not plastic, almost feels kind of feltish, but just very slight little give to it, like a tennis ball there. That's your attachment number one. Attachment number two is gonna be the U-shaped head, and this is gonna be for spine, neck, shoulder, sensitive muscles, or soft tissue there. Third is gonna be your bullet head, and this is mainly used for joints, deep tissue, trigger points, small muscles, areas, feet, wrist, etc. there. You could use that on your temple, back of your neck if you have a headache, etc. And the last one is going to be the hammerhead. This is ideal use for suitable parts on all the body if you want more of an accessory like this here. I have used these massagers in the past, and I personally love this one for legs, shoulder, tennis elbow, etc. Here we have our power adapter here, and now our main unit here. We have the company logo right on the side there. On the top, you're gonna have some ventilation coming down to a nice handle that feels very well proportioned in my hand. You have your on and off switch and your power insert there for recharging the batteries. Capacity again is gonna be a 2500 milliamp battery. And the instructions don't say, but I'm pretty sure that's lithium ion batteries. Most all massage guns do use lithium ion batteries. And right here on the side, we have a little tab here. You're gonna have to use two hands. You're gonna push in and slide out. It's nice and snug, so go ahead and use two hands, and it pulls right out here, like that there. And again, that's a nice soft grip for your hand. And we also have a LED indicator light circle around the bottom there that will light up colors. We're gonna get to that, don't worry about that. And this little tab here is the tab to release the battery. That lines up underneath that one, and go ahead and slide it on in. And then on the back, we have our nice display here, which I think has a little piece of plastic over there. Let's go ahead and remove that. And then on this side is gonna be the same company logo right there. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm pretty sure you have to fully charge it before, but I'll give you just a small example here. Click the switch on the bottom to on, and that lights up right here. We have frequency, we have battery right here, 0.6. You can turn it on by hitting the on button, and we're on 1, there is 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And as I'm doing this, it's getting slowly and slowly more intense. 18, 19, 20, I think it only goes to, yeah, 20. So that's awesome. That is something else that is different than other massagers that I've used, is normally there is only 5 settings. This one has up to 20 for either intense or a lower intensity. That is great. This is, again, the only massager that I've reviewed with that feature. We do have, of course, this is pretty, I think is in minutes for the lifespan of the batteries. I'm pretty sure it says in the manual, but we'll go ahead and charge that up before we do use it. But before we do set it on the charger, this is the LED indicator light here. And what's nice is that you can actually dismount it to charge the battery and then insert it back in when you're done. And what I like about this one, guys, is it is quiet. So I literally can just plug away at some work right here. We're uploading a little YouTube video, and I'll go ahead and just start thumping away here. Getting my quads, my legs, my arms, my tennis elbow, my shoulders, even through jeans. It definitely feels nice. Right now we're on 17, so we're actually pretty high up there. What I do like about this particular one is that you can go the different levels if you feel like a little bit less, or if you really feel like going crazy, then definitely juice it up there. As we can see, that is level, what is that, 15 right there? And I do like the rounder ones for the larger sections. The other night I was actually driving to the gym, working my shoulders and legs before the gym, and I do like that. I also like the LED ring light indicator here, and I do like the battery indicator here. So I know we did mention it earlier in the video, but 8 means that that is on level 8 of the battery. Level 10 is maximum charge, so level 8 would be about 80% of the battery left. So what I normally like to do is I like to sit over here in my living room, especially after the gym, watching a Netflix show, etc., and doing it there. It's quiet enough where I can either do it while working. That's when I personally use it. But I want to show you a couple things. My shoulder from boxing has been a little tweaked up, so I like to get it right here. And we'll go ahead and show you some examples with the big head, and then I'm going to get the precision one out as well. Let's go ahead and crank it up here. And we'll go up to level 15. Let me zoom on in here a little bit here. And we'll get a shot of my shoulder here. So typically it's right about there. You just kind of go around your shoulder until you start to feel that pain. And then you just want to go up and down, side to side, and just release it. You can go up in power if you want. You can lower it if you want. But that feels good right there. And then you get your bicep going. And you just start racking. Look at my shoulder twitching there as it's going all around. Get that shoulder. There we go, right there. And then just kind of bring it right up into it like that. And that, yeah, that's nice right there. And then sometimes it does hit a bone. So you got to be a little careful because I don't have too much cushion up there. My arms are pretty lean. But, right there is really nice right there. That's great. And then, of course, tennis elbow, get that out right there. My buddy has the same thing. And this is, you just work it out. You work it out after the gym, you work it out before the gym, and these are fantastic to do that. Let's go ahead and get the small precision one. I want to see if I can penetrate that a little bit more. All right, let's go ahead and get the precision one out. And yeah, that's gonna penetrate straight down. So if you want to get a little bit more pin precise, then use this one. Right there, right there, right there. Ooh boy, ooh boy. That's nice. And you just go up and down again and just get that bad boy out of there. Very, very nice. Oh, goodness gracious, that's nice. I'm gonna like that one for sure. Because normally I do use this one most of the time, but this one is definitely nice to get in there and precision massage that out as well. I do definitely like the digital display right here, LED indicator light right here. It feels good in my hand. Feels like I can just hold it. Now remember, it does have the cutoff, but that's very nice. I just use it while I'm watching TV again, and it cuts off, and then you just turn it back on again. That's a safety feature just in case you fall asleep and leave it running. That saves batteries as well. Well guys, in the description box below, again, is gonna be this exact same massager linked up right down below. Hit that thumbs up button. This helps you make an informed decision, and subscribe to the channel because I got a lot more videos like this, a lot of more fun videos on the channel. Check it out. We'll see you on the next review video. My name is Chris. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.